Yeah,
You
yeah,
know,
definitely.
only,
Yes.
only people spend the time on the mobile.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
It was running the cricket match.
Yeah, yeah. It's fantastic. Yeah.
So,
Yes. Yes.
so
Okay.
first of all, I would like to tell you,
Yeah.
congratulations for creating new channel because I
Thank you
have
so
watched your video in the morning.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
When did you create the new channel?
After 15 day ago.
Okay,
Before,
nice.
sorry. Yeah, yeah. Before 15 day ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, you have 29 subscriber.
Yes.
Good.
Yes, yes, yes. It's
Okay.
my work because I told you that I am very passionate my this journey. So
Yeah,
I
I
uploaded
know.
every day one video, conversation video, and also short video. But now this time, Diwali time is very busy, so I
Okay.
couldn't uploaded. Yeah, I uploaded only short video. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay,
Yes.
nice.
Yes. But ma'am, our time is 1:30 and you're not connected. Do you
Actually,
sound?
yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes, yes.
Actually, my I think some guest
Oh, I see. Okay, okay,
yeah
okay.
came to my home, so that's why
Okay, because
I I was
that
I
yes,
was
I have
late.
second
Yes.
session after 30 minutes, so I tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Now this time you're free?
Yes, I am free right now.
Okay. You celebrate Diwali?
Yeah, I have celebrate. I celebrated the Diwali, but I
Yeah.
don't like firecrackers.
Yeah, yeah, same to you. I don't like, because it's a very only time money wasted. Yeah.
Yes. No,
Yes.
actually, I get scared.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The cracker.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, can we discuss our topic that's television and books?
Yeah. Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So,
So
firstly, you started or I?
actually, I want to
Okay.
start firstly. Actually, I think our topic is, what is the, I think, important part of our learning English
Yeah,
as
yeah, yeah.
a television or book. I think
Okay.
right now nobody watch the TV.
Yes, yes.
Firstly,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know,
definitely.
only
Yes.
only people spend the time on the mobile.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
But I think when you watch the English video, so
Yes,
that time you learn lots of things.
yes, yes, yes.
When I started learning English, so that times only I started speaking. But
Yes,
I didn't watch even
yes,
single English video. So then after that I realized that I should watch more much video. So
yes,
then my fluency, my confidence will be increased.
yes, yes,
As well, book are very essential part of
yes,
speaking English because when you read more English book, even then you learn lots of vocabulary with
yes,
the
yes,
help of reading the book. So
yes.
I think reading is very important, but I don't like I don't
Oh,
like reading the
yeah, yeah,
book. I'm
yeah.
not fond of yes reading the book. Actually, when
Yeah.
I started, when I started reading the book, so that time I get bored
Yeah.
immediately.
Yes,
So
yes.
then I close the book and then
Yeah.
I sleep. So
Oh, okay,
I
okay. Yeah.
think
Yeah.
so that's why my vocabulary is very less.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So I think according to my perception, a book is very important than television.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes.
So
So I explain you that this is the television and mobile. This is a very difficult part. Okay. So
yes,
we are not comparison because but if our topic is a television, so television versus book. not a
Yes.
television versus mobile. Both are different things. Now this time every person use mobile, and mobile is a really fantastic and very useful. But
Yes.
if we are discuss if a television, so it's not our hand. It's a
Yes.
if our electricity is gone, so we can't watch any serials and whatever things. Okay,
Yes.
but if we are reading books, so completely depend ourselves. It's
Yes.
depend
Yes.
our, yeah. And second thing is, if we are talking about television, so we can't realize, we only fully depend to make directors, that which types people selected, and what they are provided. But we are reading that time, we are decided that it's our depend, we are thinking that what's our mentality. So reading is a very fantastic things. We are if we are comparison that television and books, so both are knowledgeable, because
Yes.
every person's watching different types of channels. You
Yes.
decided that knowledgeable channel, so you click in remote and you watch these things. But suddenly is current is not available, so you stop and you can't do anything. But book is available in your hand, and you
Yes.
decided that what you read, one page, two page, and three page. So
Yes.
completely depend ourselves. So it's a
Yes.
fantastic. Yes. And you
Yes.
decided that which types of topic we read. You, okay? I agree with you that you tell me that by the time I reading books and by the time I sleep. So it's a habit problem, ma'am. Okay, if you have your habit is change on all day, every day you use one page and three page, so automatically this habit is change.
Yes,
Yeah.
because sometimes
Yes.
I am trying to
Yes.
read the book, but
Yes.
I don't know, because when I when I try to read the book, so that time immediately I get
Yes.
bored,
Yes, yes.
so,
But
so that
because
I feel
I tell
like
you that,
sleepy.
yes,
Yes,
I read in book the 9 to 10. It's a fixed time because it's my habit, and I decided that I have to read and I have to read. It's a depend
yes,
ourselves. Yeah. But
okay,
by the time we are use television, so it's a very time pass. It's a time pass because by the time we are not interested anything, and serial is coming. So what
yes.
can I do? It's I think it's not good.
Actually,
Yes.
yesterday I watched the television, as
Yeah.
because yesterday, it's I think it was running the cricket match
Yeah. Yeah. It's
on
fantastic. Yeah.
television. So that time
Yeah.
I watched, and then after after run
Yes.
out the match, that time Kohli started giving the interview. So that times I watched very carefully.
Yes. 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 It's a very fantastic
Yes. What
habit.
is the
Yeah.
what is the Kohli saying? So that times I watched very carefully, and then
Yes.
I started understanding,
Yes.
getting.
Yes. Yes. Listening is most important, ma'am, because if you listen and understand, so definitely one day can you speak fluently. If you
Yes.
understand, yeah. And I am very excited that I listen every time I watching every time in English conversation, English story. Yeah.
Yes, I think listening is very important. Listening is the
Yes. Yes.
part of speaking as well.
Yes.
Your fluency.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
when you watch more much video as well, your I think listening power, understanding power, and your speaking
Yes.
both
Yes.
are getting improved.
Yes, if you know, you have no any vocabulary and you are listen to everything, so automatically you speak that okay,
Yes.
this meaning is this. Yeah.
Actually, I have a habit. I have a habit because when I remind the word, any
Yes. Yes.
English word, so
Yes.
that times when it comes to start speaking with other person, so that times I forget that time
Yes, yes,
while
yes,
speaking.
yes. It's now normal case because we are beginners, na. So this that's why if we
Yes,
are speaking each other, so we are forget a lot of words. So it doesn't
yes.
matter if you are confident. So it doesn't matter that you
Yes.
forget any words. Yeah,
So that I can manage.
yeah.
Meanwhile having the conversation, so that I can manage while
Okay.
speaking.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
because I know
I,
because this times I have a full, I think, confidence.
yes, yes. I also follow these things because I have no any idea. So my confidence is very fantastic. So other person is not judge that what is it tell other things. Yeah.
Yes. I know how is my video,
Yes.
how
Yes.
is, I think, how do I know about
Yes.
speaking English?
Yes.
Only
Yes.
me, not other
Yes.
person. No,
Yes.
and nobody just to me.
Yes. Definitely.
So
Because
I can
every
manage.
person, yes, because every person is a unique, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, they are very different people. If you want that you swim as a fish, that's not possible. If you want to that you jump as a monkey, so that's not possible because we are human.
yes,
Okay,
exactly.
we think a lot of things.
Yes.
Yeah, and we can
Everything,
focus.
yes, everything it takes time, lots,
Yeah,
too
yeah,
much up to succeed.
yes, 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 yes,
I think practice as well, hard
yes,
work,
yes.
and your
Practice is most
passionate
important.
and your determinate
Yes, yes.
is very are all of things are very important.
Yes, 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 yes. Or most important is that don't skip your work. If you speak,
Yes.
so, yes. So that's not true.
Yes.
Yes. So you
Actually,
attend any session in Diwali?
yeah,
You
please.
you attend any session Diwali time?
On Diwali, yeah, of course.
Okay.
I taken one session with the, I think, Kalpana as a
Okay.
girl. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yes. I also attend one session only in Dhanteras. Yeah.
Okay, actually, yes, I sent, the Hati madam, Yashoda madam, send
Yes.
me message. I want to talk with you on Dhanteras. So after, okay, ma'am, I will talk to you. But after, after completing the conversation, so I have studied a lot about
Yeah.
Dhanteras because
Okay.
so that I was thinking I have to talk to the Hati madam,
Yes.
and
Yes.
then I think some reason, the
Yes.
Hati madam, I think the Hati madam couldn't connect me again.
Oh, yes. Yes. Yes.
Then I don't know. But then
Yes.
I asked, so ma'am told me actually I had some problem.
Yes.
I think madam's I think run out the battery has run
Okay.
out the battery. I don't know. So that time
Yes.
I couldn't connect to you. So okay. So and that said, okay, ma'am. If you want to talk to me, so please send me message, and then again we will start conversation.
Yes, yes. We feel very better no? By that time every successful women and men are
Yes,
connect with me. Yeah.
yes. I will send. I send the message. Actually, ma'am, I am very happy. I am so
Yes.
glad to see the message because you are connected me.
Yes. Yes. So you attend any session, Yashoda ma'am with Yashoda ma'am?
Yes, I have taken two sessions
Okay. I also
with.
attend one session. Yeah, Yashoda ma'am.
I think
Yes.
she's very nice.
Yes. Yes.
As
Fantastic. Yeah. Yeah.
she's very nice and helpful.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.